Hi everyone, today we are going to discuss a probability density function and the variable transformation problem in the statistics lesson. We will work through the problems step by step and solve for constant and calculation important probability. The problem involving a car dealership calculating the profit for a new car show, and we will use a probability density function and transform it into solve it. And then, so let's look at the full question. A car dealership calculates the profit for each new car sold using in 10,000 units. As the measure, the density, the property density function for x, the property is given at this. Okay, this is this one. So x is for x is between one and between 0 and 1, and the function is described as c times to the 1 minus x. So if x is outside this range here, it will be 0. Okay. So now the first question is solve for the c, and then the second question is derive the probability density function of y equal to x squared. And then the last question is calculate the probability that the dealership profit for the next new car show is less than 1,000, less than 1 in 10,000 units here. So let's start for solving the C. Solve for C first. So here, because the first principle here is that the probability of the probability density function must be equal ones here. So equal one here. Okay. So that's why I can say that equal to integrate it here. So plus x dx equal 1. Okay. So we can continue to calculate this. So the c can put out, so we put it outside, and then continue to do the integration. So here, that's equal 1. Okay. So continue. So this is x 1 to x. Okay. This minus x. So after integrated, so we will so it's 2 3. Okay. So we got that equal to 1. So you easy to find that because we substitute the value here. Substitute the value here. So 1 minus 1 over 2. So c times 1 over 2 equal to 1. So therefore c equal to 2. So the first question is finished. So the second question is divide the probability density function of y is equal to the power of 2. So let me see. So we derivative divide the probability density function for y where y is equal to x squared. So we can imagine that if this is x, this is y, so is y equal to x squared is something like that. And because x is between 1 and 0, so but now we transform x into y, so we can imagine that here in this area, this is a, this is b, so that we can write it here, a is smaller than y and b is not than y. This is probability of y. So because y is equal to x squared, so that in here is square root of a and square root of b. Okay, so we to do this, so we need to divide the divide. So y equal to x squared divided is x times 2x here, and then we will find the x equal to we x here equal to positive or negative y square, root of the y, okay, square root of the y. So here is swap the value to here. So should be something like that. So we substitute the value into the formula here, right? We need to find the y fy. So fy is equal to 1 over square root y minus 1. Let me see. Okay, because x is equal to okay. So now we can continue and rewrite the density function here a b, and then put the density function here, and then we can consider that b so should be equal to okay. So we can write it like that because we transfer x to y, we transfer x to y here. So we have to substitute the value. So if we transfer that something like that, AB, we turn in AB. So this is to be 2 1 minus square root y, and then this is 1 over 2 x. Okay. So because this is wrong, this is wrong, this is wrong. Okay, this is dx. Because here, why I say that because this x is equal to positive and negative y, positive and negative square root y. So so we continue to do is so this one. Okay, so this is answer. Mhm. Okay, this is question 2. So because y here I have to imagine that y is less than 0 and smaller than 1 here. Okay, so about calculate the probability that the profits for the next car so is less than 1 in 10,000 units. So because since the profit is measured in the 10,000 units, this measure we calculated the probability that y is less than 0.1. Okay, so we integrate the function 1 over 2 times so the over 2 times the square root of y, and then uh, minus minus 1, and then and then and then times the and then this y is from the 0 to 1. So so the y is from the 0 to 0.1 because yeah, we have calculated the probability that y is less than 0.1. So here, so that number 3. So the question is we calculate the probability that y less than 0.1 here. Because we So here is talking about 1 in 10. So actually this is a 1,000. Okay, this is a 1,000 unit. 1 in 10, 10,000, 10,000. Awesome. So here is we got 1 in 10, so that we can say that this is a 0 1. Why is 0 1 here? Why is 0 1 here? Question B. So question B is correct. So we y is correct. Y is smaller than 0.1, and we need to calculate this 0.1, and then we just need to use the existing function here. We already created in this question 2. Okay. So after integrated, so we can put this here. This is a 2 times y is 2 square minus y. Okay, and then you put here. So we can find that. So we need to use the calculators. Calculators. That calculators. Calculators. Yeah. Okay. So it's 0.31622. So we can use this 0.162. Okay. So minus 2.1. So open this 2, 2, 2. Okay. So the answer should be 0.524. Okay. That's it. So to summarize that, we solve the problem by step. I hope this will make the concept clear. So if you have any question or would like to see more example, feel free to leave the comment below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorial like this one. Thank you. Bye bye.